Good afternoon, everybody. I have a very, very important announcement on the Nasdaq Composite, which is approaching 16-year highs, right below that magical number of 5,000. I remember that time that was in March of year 2000, and nobody ever thought in this lifetime that we would even get close to that 5,000 mark for a number of years. One of the things that I am going to tell people is it's time to start selling. And we've just gone too far too fast. We are extremely overbought on this composite. And you can see that today's volume is extremely light. And we're like 17 points below that NASDAQ 5,000. And we are calling for a pullback. A correction is around the corner. We've simply gone too far, too fast. This is a daily chart. One of the things that we encourage you to do is go to the free trial tab, open an account tab. Once you do that, we will fund your trading account and you go through the page. And this is the kind of buying power. So if you have a $5,000 account, we're going to give you $100,000 intraday. If you have a $10,000 account, get $200,000 intraday. It has to keep you above what we call the pattern day trading rule for clients below $25,000 in their accounts. We also encourage you to go ahead and scroll down and go into the videos that we have called for pullbacks before. And the market is extremely tired. Take responsibility for yourself. I have a weekly chart on the Nasdaq Composite. And basically here we are right there. And I can tell you right now that we are in an overbought territory in this weekly breakout. This was the consolidation on the NASDAQ. Apple is in there. All your big bellwethers are in there. We took out this little weekly consolidation and we broke out higher 3 weeks after that. However, we are overbought. It's time to take money off of the table. Earnings were so-so. The economic data that everyone is to believe that it's great, no, it's not. The markets are chewing over interest rates. The worldwide economies are all stimulating their economies around the world. The money that was on a sideline has found a home. And once again, the Nasdaq Composite is going to have a good sized pullback. The anemic volume in this last 4-day top here is extremely low. And right now, we're at 15, 16-year highs in the Nasdaq Composite. All right, so on the Nasdaq Composite, it's time to ring the cash register. We're going to be looking at the bear funds up here. We're going to be looking at the put options on the Nasdaq 100. And here is the Nasdaq 100. It's the 100 stocks, and it too, same chart, same everything. It's a narrow consolidation there with anemic volume at the high. Once again, this is where the breakout happened right here. We gapped up. We never looked back. Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq Composite. Same way. There's going to be a good sized pullback. We're going to be looking at the bear funds now. Each little high on lower volume has prompted us to go that way.